A person has been stealing packages at the Fillmore Center. Please be cautious and monitor your deliveries closely. Report any suspicious activity to the authorities immediately. Stay safe. A porch pirate was caught stealing packages from a doorstep, arriving on an electric bike. Please stay vigilant, keep an eye on your deliveries, and report any suspicious activity to the authorities. Stay safe. At 2 a.m., a group of drunk individuals was seen ringing doorbells and peering through mail slots. Residents are advised to remain cautious, secure their homes, and report any suspicious behavior to the authorities. Stay safe.
Because we are.
Fuck are the afters?
No, like,
There's no one in there. There's no
No,
one in there.
me too. Where the afters?
I hear it.
A porch pirate was caught stealing a package from a doorstep. Please stay vigilant, secure your deliveries, and report any suspicious activity to the authorities. Stay alert and safe. At 4:30 a.m., a mail thief was caught on camera trying to steal from a mailbox. Fortunately, the attempt was unsuccessful as the camera activated and likely deterred the suspect. Please ensure your mail is secure and report any suspicious activity to the authorities. Stay vigilant. At 10:33 p.m., a skateboard was stolen from a car trunk. This serves as a reminder to lock your doors and remove valuable items from your vehicle. Stay cautious and report any suspicious activity to the authorities. Two individuals posing as Spectrum employees were caught attempting to open the side and back gate of a homeowner's property. Residents are advised to verify credentials of any service personnel and report suspicious activity to the authorities immediately. Stay safe.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
A male thief was caught on a doorbell camera early this morning attempting to steal from a mailbox. Please ensure your mail is secure and report any suspicious activity to the authorities. Stay alert. A man was caught on camera breaking a window of a homeowner's property and stealing a controller. Disturbingly, the homeowner's 2 cats are also missing following the break-in. Please ensure your homes are secure and report any suspicious activity or sightings to the authorities immediately. Stay safe and vigilant. At 9:34 p.m., a suspicious man was seen snooping around and attempting to open a door. Residents are urged to lock their doors and report any unusual behavior to the authorities. Stay alert and stay safe. At 10:44 a.m., an attempted break-in was caught on camera in broad daylight. A woman wearing a jacket and sunglasses was seen trying to enter through the fence. When the homeowner attempted to communicate with her, she ignored him and continued her actions. Please remain vigilant, secure your property, and report any suspicious activity to the authorities immediately. Stay safe.
Can I help you? Can I help you? Hello? Are you looking for someone? Hello? Hello? Are you looking for somebody?